What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk guys, which has hit a green candle finally after a few days of red days. It has pumped up about 15% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this value here. And again, most of the pump did come from earlier on this afternoon and it's still ongoing, so we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk. Is it going to pump soon? Is it going to break out? Is it going to crash back down in value? Or is it going to stabilize around its current price range like it has over the last approximately 10 days? It has been quite volatile, but overall it has maintained its value. So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is next. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from Bonk? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, and the actual value of Bonk is here in red. So it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Bonk to go for a minimal increase in value, but nothing too major. Reason is, I am also expecting it to hit red candles in between, taking a little bit of a step back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow, mixed with green candles as well. But the green candles are likely to overtake the red candles, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, in this case, as you guys can see, it is not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning over the coming week Bonk should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, and I'm expecting at least a 15 to 20% increase from its current price value. Reason being is, crypto market is looking quite strong, with Bitcoin nearly hitting another all-time high guys, heading over $73,000, which means this should have a positive impact on the crypto market. Don't get me wrong, Bonk is likely to hit a couple of red days in between as well, taking a little bit of a dip, but the overall outcome by mid next week, I'm expecting Bonk to go for an overall increase in value, heading over this price value is what I'm expecting at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking quite skeptical here. We do have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Bonk over the next 6 to 8 weeks? According to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I am expecting Bonk to go for an overall drop in value over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So late April, early May, Bonk should be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting, potentially down to around just above this price range here ending in 1000 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is, as you guys can see here, over the month it has gained over 160% increase, and from the analysis that I have done, the crypto is slightly overvalued and is more than likely going to hit more red days by the end of March and early April, dropping back down in value. So do expect more red days towards the end of the month and early next month as well, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk at the moment. Moving on to the Fibonacci scale here, as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level and have been trading there over the last week or just above a week, but it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming week and then slowly starting to drop back down into the blue zone, dark green zone in April, and by late April it should be dropped back down into the red zone is what my expectations are at the moment. However, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have an impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on, and it would most likely impact Bonk as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far so good for Bonk. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up by nearly 45% in the last 24 hours, making it over $569 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious. Bonk has gained a decent amount of value in the last 24 hours, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto right now, getting involved with it, either buying or selling it, hence why the value of Bonk is also pumping up higher than where it is at the moment. So this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Yes, I am not expecting it to break out, as it's already done that earlier on in late February and earlier this month in March as well. It's done huge increases in value. So personally, it's already broken out. So the next step is for it to go for a price correction, dropping back down in value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. Let me know in the comment section down below, have any of your predictions changed, especially after the dip that's taken place? Has it changed in a positive or negative way? Let me know in the comment section down below, and also comment down below, are you guys investing into it? Are you guys selling it, or are you guys simply holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.